pre-fold. Don't bend these. Okay, set this aside. Get this part. Bend this like this. Same with this side. Put this through here and pull. Repeat. Pull. Part 3. Lock here. Okay, take this part. This part, you can put it this way or like this, whatever is easier. I just kind of muck around and find it. And then pull. Pull while pushing down. Okay, flingy-dingy. Take this, oh, pardon me. These go on next with this here. These are just for support. Pull again while pushing down. Same here. And then take this. Feed it into here. That. Pull this down. It's so hard to hold on to because it's slippery. Tuck those and these. And it's in there, and then that's what it'll look like. All the components, and I'm ready. You ready? All right. Take these two, put these two together. Any one of these three, it doesn't matter. One part has 2 inners, one has 2 outers. Just got to find the side that you slide this through. It doesn't matter which, it's one of these 3. Put this through the other side and repeat. And again, it doesn't matter which is on which side, just as long as the set goes together. Okay. Here. Okay, then you're going to take this part and just kind of flex it a little, flatten it a little, just to give it some give to get it on here. Doesn't matter which direction, just choose a direction. Get it started, and then as you'll see, it seems to hang up there, but the more you tap down on this, it'll just work its way around. So just tap it down past here. If it gets a little hung up, you can grab it, but it should just go right past. So that's on. You gotta take this part, feed it here, somehow. Oh. Just try not to bend it. Once you get here, you just got to find a spot that'll feed in. And once you get it in, you can start working it around. So get it in, squeezing on here. Sometimes if you tap, it'll start to work its way in. And then once it's in, that piece is done. This middle piece, you can just kind of flex a little, maybe flatten that a little, just to round it a little. There's a certain direction which will be related to ink, but we won't worry about that now until there's ink. Just slide that over like that, grab your middle one, fight this over the top of here, and work it down onto the left piece. And then you just have to do the same thing and work this inside. It'll get there, it's just takes a little bit of maneuvering. Then you take your top part and just flex it a little, just to kind of loosen it up. This one, once you know the orientation, you want to put this on the top by putting it in here and just push it down to the bottom. And then you can just take this, I think it goes this way. Actually, it's backwards, but we'll worry about that. And then just feed this over the top, push that on. Viola.